Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. Who's ready for today? Let me know if you can hear me all right. We've got some action in the market. So we might have a bit of bullish side on the market. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Let us wait everybody to tune in. And before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. BDYN, yes, looking great. We got REVB hitting the scan right now. I think it's reverse split, so it's not that good. We got feed, FEED. This one looking interesting, guys. Yeah, we got a few supports. The second support is around the 134. I think got flushed back then here. Huge flush happened beginning of this year, yes. So it might be good for reversal. For now, I think we got a bit of sellers around 160. So feed looking great. Current support 130, bottom 116. AZI is pulling back a lot, so I'm a bit curious if we're gonna have action. I will give it a bit of chance for a reversal, guys, for this one, right around 295. If we did, we might break the 3.30. MRNO, double top around the 4 and pull back now around the 246. BKYI, to be honest, guys, this one I don't like it. It's too shabby. Watch out for Intel, guys. Finally, we got the reversal from yesterday. Yesterday, almost 4. Today, almost 4 or almost 5. Expect another test maybe today or tomorrow toward the 48. So today, if we did another 4% would be great. So we need to be up 8% or 10%. Yes. Intel looking great, guys, for a continuation reversal after the earnings. Earnings weren't that bad. APLD is kind of overextended, so waiting for a pullback. The same for B. TXN, this one had earnings yesterday. FFIV had earnings yesterday and now is pulling back. I'm watching for a reversal, guys, for this one at the market open. Yeah, we might have a really good reversal. So I'm watching it closely. TXN, the same, watching for a reversal, just around the 205. GEV, this one, the same, had the great jump yesterday, but now it's pulling back. AT&T is pulling back down, had earnings as well. We discussed it yesterday. We did the short update for it. But yeah, it could be good to pull back down. Watching a pullback down for this one. We have to be strategic today. Now is almost neutral. Starbucks, on the other hand, the same, had the bad earnings, but jumped really good. Had really great revenue. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Don't forget again to hit the like button and the win. We always go live every day to discuss the market. Okay, who's ready? Let's see. What's the other stocks that might be good for today? Yeah, Starbucks, it could be good, but reverse already happened here. I will watch for the breakout from the 103 maybe. So TXN, FFIV, and Starbucks looking really interesting for today. So those swing trade stocks, not day trade. So we should diversify, guys. Gonna put them with the list. Oh, come on, not the swing trade. So as we said, BDYN, we got this one of the unicorn jumping 38%. Air Force contract got huge news after Air Force contract. This is a huge. Any contract, if the approval, all those kind of news is really strong. So we'll see if we gonna hold the support. mRNO on the other hand jumped 102, double top around the 4, now it's pulling back around the 250. There's a few support that we might reverse from at the market open around almost the $2 and the 150. Those the main two support for today. For now, let's see, 42% resistance is a bit far, guys. So this one is a bit shady because the resistance is a little bit far. So yeah, we got a bit of resistance around the 3, and another seller at around the 340, and the bigger seller entered around the 4. So watching for a drop. AZI on the other hand, yeah, AZI is kind of weak, so I'm gonna take it on put it on the waiting list. Feed is the best right now, guys. It's jumping like no tomorrow, hitting the first profit taken around the 179. This one just came right now, guys. Feed have a support around the 147. It might go toward the $2. But now, yes, we need to hold over the 147. Intel, there's someone buying Intel right now. It was 6% in the pre-market, or almost 7%, yes. As we said, guys, we need another 4% or almost 10% for today for Intel to be on the winning side. Now is jumping up. Intel looking great. As a reminder, guys, we already discussed Intel for buying the dip early on before. Yes, as you can see here at the earnings, we talked about it, and then we update it again, I think, on the pre-market watch list. I think, yes, a few days ago. We did UNH. Yes, here we discuss the 44.45 reversal. The best entry was there, guys. This one we did it yesterday, yes. So hopefully you got this really great entry. Again, guys, we do always update on our Discord and Patreon, which the best entry where we discuss the best entry at. So if you want to have pretty much early access before you say it's too late, you can join our Discord. I will just put the link down below. If you a bit too lazy to check the link by yourself, because yeah, I will put it in the live share section. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. John, for Intel, we got the 45.33 as a support. The bottom already visited around the 42. Now we're going toward the 48. So the 48 is the target to hit. If we broke the 48, this means we're going to have a huge reversal for Intel for today toward the $50. This is my psychological level for Intel to go to today and maybe tomorrow. Intel looking great, guys. We have a big buyer for it right now in pre-market. And the reason is, I think Intel is now fatal to semiconductor industry. We got a lot of news. So yeah, we have a lot of optimistic investors regarding Intel, the strong demand for AI. So yeah, Intel, we got triggered buying pressure. We got a huge discount, guys, for Intel, almost 21%. Now the reversal should happen until the 50 will be really great if we have the $50. APLD, on the other hand, I will wait for a pullback. Now is a bit risky. The pullback might happen around the 39 and the 36. And if we have a FOMO buying, we might go until the 45 before a pullback. Now is 1% up. We might do 7% as usual, or total 8%. Starbucks looking interesting as well. We got few minutes left. TXN is still pulling back. Interesting. Let's see if TXN reversed now. No, it broke. Yeah, TXN is a bit dangerous right now. I don't like the breakouts from the support here. 5, on the other hand, looking strong. Yeah, Intel is going up big time. Okay, guys, the market is about to open. Let us have a fun day today. Who's ready for the market? Starbucks 150 is the support, 103 is the current profit resistant breakout. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Watching Starbucks closely if we're gonna have a breakout here or not. Let's go. Take off. Let's take off. 5, we might have a pullback. TXN is jumping up. Let's see, 5. Starbucks. B is going up. APLD, nope. Intel is trying to go up. BDYN, nothing. MRNO, I don't like it. Feed, guys, is jumping. Starbucks trying to break out here. Intel is going, guys. Intel is squeezing for today. Okay, Starbucks, we got a little breakout. 'kay, Starbucks might pull back now around this resistance, 105, watch out. Intel is still going up. We need a bit of jump, a little bit more toward the 48. APLD pulling back. B is okay. Starbucks pulling back. 5 is okay. TXN, nope. INTC. Let's see if we're gonna go up more. mRNO, nothing. Feed, nothing. Intel is still going up here. Ah, interesting. Intel is still going up. 8% is getting near the 48. Come on. 48 is the test for Intel, guys. If we broke his mean, we're gonna squeeze. Okay, it's getting near. Any moment. Okay, I think Intel is gonna go down here, guys. Be careful. We got a huge resistance is coming up for Intel, and we'll wait for a pullback maybe toward 45 or 46. BDYN is pulling back. I think we got seller around the 990. Murano, I don't like it anymore. Feed is the top stock for today. BDYN pulling back. Intel, it might pull back now. APLD, the same pulling back. B, push up. Starbucks is pulling back. 5 is pulling back as well. Intel 9%, but now is going down. Yeah, it hit a major resistance. Exactly. Intel right now is pulling back down. MSTR pulling back down. Plug is going up a bit. MSTR, yeah. So the main ones for today is Intel and B. Okay, let's see. T is going up. T. LRN is about to break. SNDK, you have a huge buying pressure for this one. Yeah, Starbucks is flashing down. Be careful. Yeah, maybe I will put LRN back. Let's see. Yeah, Intel is getting active now. APLD waiting for a pullback here for entry. Yeah, pullback for APLD, maybe around 39. B, yeah, it might be good to watch for a pullback. The market might pull back now. Okay, Intel is pulling back as well, watching for a pullback now for Intel. The same for BDYN. Feed is still okay. Yeah, it's pulling back now. Yes, finally we have a pullback. This one is a weak one. Yeah, B is pulling back a little bit. Starbucks broke the support, so gonna take it from the list here. 5 light on volume. B is okay. APLD as well is okay. Watching for meaningful reversal around 39.40 maybe. Okay, Intel is still testing the resistance. Unusual buying pressure. Yeah, we might go toward the 50, but I don't like it here, man. I don't like it. It's too risky for entry for Intel. It's kind of overextended. So I might put alert just in case for a pullback and wait. Or let it go. Yeah, APLD looking all right. Same for B. We need another 2% for APLD. Another 2% would be great for a pullback. BTYN not okay, but it's still okay as long as we hold the 838. Until, as we said, this one, guys, it was majestic entry. We already did the short update. If you don't remember, let us rewind. Yesterday, we did a nice short update for our hunters for entry around the 44, 45, and we said the profit taken is around the 47 and 51. It was a really great update for our hunters. A reminder, we always do update, guys, on our Discord and Patreon every day for swing trade and day trade, whatever the case. Okay, we got a nice reversal right now for feed guys around the 147. So watch out for this support. PDYN is still going down, so be careful. We need to hold over the 821 and break the 9 in order to go up again. Otherwise, it's gonna be on the pullback side. Intel, I think, is on the pullback side now. Yeah, 48.84 should be the major resistance. I will wait for a pullback for Intel, APLD. Still waiting for a meaningful pullback toward the 39. B is too risky here. I will wait for a pullback. Otherwise, I'm not entering. mRNO, no good. Broke the support for now. AZI, yeah, it's shabby. It tried to break the 3.34, but it didn't. BKYI, no good. Take it from the list. Game stop is putting back. LAES, not that good today. RR, not good for today. Aha, SaveX. Don't like the short that much, but did the meaningful reversal here. BNAI, the same, really good to break here. NAM is a bit weak beyond me to start it reverse. Okay. Intel, come on to Papa. We need Intel to go down, guys. Is a bit overextended here. APLD. We need a pullback. Come on, where's the pullback? Palantir, guys, what's going on with Palantir? Someone selling Palantir like no tomorrow. Yeah, Palantir would be really great if it pulled back again. More pullback, we need more. It's kind of overextended here. Yeah, Palantir on my radar, but I needed to pull back. Five is still, yeah, got shorted, it's pulling back. Yeah, TXN, it tricked me. Don't I don't like stocks who tricked me, guys. Tricky stocks, I just delete them from my list. Simple as that. If you don't respect my levels and my rules, I will delete you. No hard taking, no hard feelings. Okay, let us check the top gainers for now. Let's see if we got something. SLGB and MNTK. Both of them have light volume, so maybe SLGB looking better. It hit a resistance here right now around 344, so yeah, it might be good to watch SLGB. mRNO, not good. Yeah, feed is still number one, guys. And after that, SLGB, BDYN might be good after we break the 9. APLD trying to go up, but I prefer waiting for more pullback, guys. It's too risky to enter now. The same for Intel, waiting for a pullback, maybe just there, 46.85. Yeah, B is pulling back. How everybody doing? TIRX, David. I think we already discussed it. We said it's not good, but I would double check it again. TIRX, no, we didn't discuss it. There's a resistance around 78 that we should break. Otherwise, we're gonna go down. Current support bottom is around 40. Current support that we reversed from in the pre-market is around the 54. What else we got? Yeah, this is the current support. If we held it, would be good for reversal. Otherwise, don't add or average down. It's too risky play. And current resistance right now is just around the 79. Here we go. 107. So yeah, TRX still looking great. Thank you for pointing this out. SLGB is reversing up. BDYN getting near a nice support here, just over this $8. Intel still holding, APLD still holding, B still reversing. That's why I put support here for B. If we held it, we might go up again. Let us double check the stock that's been halted. VTIX, VTIX. We got GOAI, MSGY. Yeah, those three, I will double check them right now. MCJY got halted down. This one halted down. VTIX light on volume, so it's not good. B make me feel really FOMO, but I have to be extremely careful. I don't trust it here. It's always about trust. If you don't trust the process, the trades don't enter. Before, I always don't listen to my inner voice regarding meeting new people, uh, starting a new job. You know, I don't listen to the first impression, the first idea come in my head. Some people say judgment or have perceive notion about people or judging people, but I say it is listen to your own voice. Sometimes it's hard to listen to this voice because it is hard to listen to the truth. Sometimes you're stupid. You have to admit that you're stupid in order to learn. But the ego always in the way. You think that you are the best. You think you don't want to learn. You never listen to other people. So sometimes you have to listen. Sometimes you are wrong, not the person in front of you is wrong. And sometimes the inside voice tell you the truth about the people in front of you, tell you like it's better to leave or it's better to not uh, continue to do the job that you're doing because it's kind of go against your personality and values. Rodney. Welcome everybody to our new member on the Mighty Hunter. Really good to see Rodney, one of our new supporter. Thank you for the support, brother. Or it means a lot to me. And as a Mighty Hunter, just watch out for the update that we do daily in the pre-market and after we finish our live streaming about the trade, the stocks that we're trading, about the entry and exit levels. Welcome, brother. Welcome, Rodney Fox. I think you're watching a lot of Fox News. Good morning, Ash. BNAI is flying. I will check it, John. John is one of our member on Discord for years. Thank you for the support again, my brother. John, BNAI, I will check it right now for you, brother. BNAI, yes, is flying, but you know what? Right now on this level, after jumping like this and getting near the resistance, which is around the 82, I will be extremely careful. If you already entered, trying to shove up or take a bit of profit there, brother. Don't be greedy and just wait for a pullback that might happen. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I will watch for a pullback. The first pullback is around 61.55. The second pullback that we should watch out for is around the 49 or almost around the 50, and the bottom should be around the 42.29. So watch out for those two levels of reversal. And 82 is the top level, for my opinion. If we broke it, I might do another update on Discord to discuss the entry for it. But for now, it's getting a bit risky. But yeah, it looked fantastic. So I'm gonna put it on the main list. Yeah, B is still going up. APLD is trying to go down. SLGB is trying to go up as well, testing the resistance. So I'm gonna put SLGB number one right now because it's about to break a resistance, and BNAI because it already broke the resistance. After that, we got TRX because it's the top gainer for today, and Feed because it's near the support reversal with BDYN. Those are the main stocks for today, guys. The rest is history. Let us see. We got SMCI gapping up again today. We got a gapping up for SMCI. Beyond Meat, we got 2% up. Interesting. Karina, there is a little resistance around 71, but I'm talking about the main resistance, the main pivot point. If we broke it, is significant for BNAI and another squeeze. There is always many levels of resistance. In those kind of stocks, highly volatile stocks, I'm always watching for the resistance where we're gonna have a confirmation for short covering up, not the little resistance where people actually taking profit on those levels. So this is kind of not the right resistance that we should look out for. Karina, thank you for pointing this out. Great question, by the way. We got interesting thing going on, guys, with Beyond Meat. It's jumping almost 2% right now. What's going on? We're gonna have a reversal, maybe the confirmation for reversal. We're gonna discuss it right now. Remember, our content here for education purposes only. So Beyond Meat, guys, we get a near interesting level of support, which is the 80 cents. So that's why we have a little bit of buying pressure right now for Beyond Meat over the 80. However, the main event, we need to have at least 17%, not 2%. I'm just saying 17 or over, around 25% to confirm that we have a right buyer, and confirmation for the right buyer or the squeeze will come around the $1.09. We don't want to have the same that happened before, a wick and a rejection. Is mean the short seller add their position once again. We need something like this. Look, we got our breakout here, you see, and then holding, making another support over the 95, then squeezing up. This same reaction we need to happen exactly right there, guys. A breakout, then accumulation, then continuation toward almost the $2 for Beyond Meat. For now, it's still a good reaction that we have 2%, but we need to hold the 80 in order to break over the 109 before the end of this month. Yeah, next month, February, we might have this reaction because this we got only just 2 days before the end of this month. So if we got something, good news, this is will affect the price for a correction for Beyond Meat, and maybe protein drinks give us this for the next earnings. Maybe we can see that maybe the new line of product that actually launching for protein drinks might change the perspective, fundamental side of Beyond Meat, and we get our squeeze because Beyond Meat need like injection of strong news in order to have a squeeze, from my opinion, because the technical is getting really tight over the support. So yeah, we might have a consolidation before this kind of jump would happen for Beyond Meat. There's other thing we have to discuss for SMCI, guys. 2% up with 2 million worth of volume. The good thing is we reverse from the last support that we discussed yesterday over almost the $30 before the earnings, as we said. We got now not 1 week, but 6 days left for the earnings. So we might have a preparation for a squeeze for SMCI. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. So we got a reversal. Yesterday we discussed SMCI at the market open. As you see here, we have a big buyer reversal and we got reversal up. Today we got a gap and there's someone added again around the 31.40. However, we need the confirmation for a big buyer, not normal buyer, is by breaking the 33.62. As you see here, we got almost just 7% to confirm this reversal. So we're not that far from this reversal, and we're not that far from the earning next Tuesday or 6 days apart from the major earnings that might switch the bearish side that started from the last year and go on the bullish side for Beyond Meat. So now the 33.62 is where the short seller have to cover, which is almost 7% around this level. And then the almost, let's see how much we can do if we jump to 30%, 15%. So the first level, 15, 30% for Beyond Meat in order to have a reversal. But watch out, guys, because every time the short seller adding around this white line, which is a current resistance, which is the short adding their position and lowering the price down. Because if we jumped and tested again, we didn't react, we have breakout is me, we're gonna go toward the 25 this time. So now this is the turning point actually, because a lot of stocks, if they're struggling to reverse, the only thing that will help them out to go up is major news. and the earnings is considering a major news affect the price in a few minutes. If we have a really good earnings, this is might change the perspective from bearish to bullish side for SMCI. And 6 days, we might have a bullish reversal before even the earnings. If we got some news going on, or even rumors that the earnings is good. Good morning, Santush XTB. You're a bit late today, man. Where have you been? Santush, I hear you, man. I hear you. Um, always don't panic selling, man. Usually, swing trade stocks have a different strategy, man. We discussed Intel. We said there's a chance for a reversal if we held the current support, because we have panic selling for the stock at the earnings is not justifiable, for my opinion. Let's see, APLD. Yeah, still holding, waiting for a pullback for APLD, guys. Intel still waiting for a pullback more, guys, as well. Looking really juicy for a pullback. BDYN still weak. Feed, yeah, it's pulling back a lot, but it might reverse here. TRX didn't break the resistant. BNAI getting near a huge resistant, and SLGB breaking out from the resistant. Interesting take for the market. Let us do a last check for the market if we got something. mRNO links. mRNO. I think I took it from the list. And LNKS. Yeah, because it broke the support. And this one, because it's light on volume, that's why I didn't put it on the list. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. Great to hunt the market with you guys. Remember, we're gonna go back live tomorrow as usual to discuss the market in depth together. Hit the like and subscribe, don't forget that. And of course, um, GOAI, nice. Let's see, GOAI if it's good. No good for me. Anyway, so we're gonna discuss the market and update the levels on our Discord, guys, and Patreon, and of course on the YouTube membership. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow. BDYN, as we said, guys, got shorted around the 9 and now it's going toward the 8 and maybe the 7, so it's too risky. It's pulled back a lot, but there's a chance for a reversal.